Project Welcome Home Troops offers a mind-body resilience program for veterans and service members. A lot of stress accumulates, the mind gets racing a lot. And so we teach these techniques. It actually gets to the core of the trauma itself and begins to release that so that they can kind of get themselves back. This program provides so much relief to people in a very short period of time, so veterans can reduce their symptoms of post-traumatic stress by as much as 40 or 50%.
I'm a firm believer in the power of meditation, of relaxing, and the health benefits of reducing stress on the body. So this sounded interesting. Everything fell apart on my last deployment because I lost some guys. 4 wives lost their husbands, 7 kids lost their fathers, and there's just a guilt. What you want to do is you want to go home and be with your family, but the reality is, even when you go home to be with your family, for me, I was still just isolating myself. I ultimately suffered some depression for years.
It's very hard for veterans in general, and they're coming in because they're carrying so much weight in their minds and their emotions, and so letting it go can be scary.
I was skeptical, the idea that you could just do some breathing and it would have some sort of profound effect on you. But it seemed like it was worth it since, it was no cost. It's just great people wanting to help you. The course gave me a sense of peace, and there was almost a sense of forgiveness. There's the specific day when those guys made the ultimate sacrifice, and that day was a horrible day for me. But I took the course, and that day was about celebrating their lives. It was a good day instead of being the normal horrible day it was.
So Joel's opening up more, he's sharing more, he's connecting more with his family.
I think my wife will tell you that it's a better version of me.
Many veterans finishing the course, they say it gave them themselves back.
It's a better version of you. You're more loving, more caring. You find some peace.